Have you ever imagined what the world will look like in just 2027? Not 2050. Not some far future. Just 2 years from now. Technology is growing faster than ever before in human history. And it's not just phones or laptops that will change. Cities, jobs, healthcare, and even our brains will transform. Today, we're exploring the top 15 technology trends of 2027. Let's begin with generative AI everywhere. By 2027, AI won't be something you use. It will live everywhere. Inside apps, cameras, TVs, watches, shopping websites, even cars. AI will write documents, design logos, make videos, and fix code. It can plan business strategies and even negotiate deals for you. Think of AI like electricity, invisible but powering everything. Next, personal AI assistants. Imagine an assistant who never sleeps and never forgets. It will schedule your day, reply to emails, and plan trips. It will handle your budgeting and remind you of tasks before you forget. Your AI assistant will feel like a friend, happy, concerned, and helpful. Now AI in healthcare. AI will detect diseases faster than any human doctor. Smart devices will track your heartbeat, oxygen, and blood sugar 24/7. Your watch might say, your heart rhythm is unusual. Visit a doctor tomorrow. These small warnings will save millions of lives. Hospitals will also use AI to reduce errors and speed up diagnosis. Hyperautomation is next. 80 to 90% of repetitive tasks will be done by AI or robots. Customer service, AI. Data entry, AI. Inventory, AI. Humans will focus on creative work while machines handle the boring tasks. Companies ignoring automation will fall behind. Let's talk quantum computing. Quantum computers aren't just faster. They're a whole new level. They'll help discover new medicines and predict weather accurately. They'll improve cybersecurity and create advanced materials. This could be the biggest leap in computing since the internet. Human-like robots are coming next. Robots no longer look like machines. They look like us. By 2027, they'll work in hotels, airports, malls, hospitals, and homes. They'll have realistic faces, natural movements, and soft voices. They'll serve food, guide customers, clean rooms, and help the elderly. Virtual worlds and digital humans are growing fast. Imagine a 3D virtual office or a digital classroom with an AI teacher. Digital humans will act as personal trainers, teachers, and customer support. They'll also be virtual influencers and actors in movies. These worlds will feel so real, you might forget you're inside a virtual space. Now, smart cities. Traffic will be managed by AI to reduce accidents. Streetlights will adjust brightness automatically. Sensors will track pollution, manage waste, and optimize electricity. Finding parking will be instant, and public transport will respond to demand. Everything in the city will be optimized automatically. Self-driving cars and drones are next. Autonomous vehicles will be common in many countries. Driverless taxis, buses, and delivery drones will become normal. Drones will deliver groceries, medicines, and packages in under 10 minutes. Travel will be safer, traffic will reduce, and delivery will be ultra. Next up, green tech and clean energy. Solar, wind, and hydrogen energy will be cheaper and more efficient. Smart grids will automatically save electricity. Homes will have solar roofs, batteries, and energy-efficient devices. This shift will reduce pollution and fight climate change. Brain-computer interfaces are coming next. People with paralysis will control computers with their thoughts. Gamers will play using only brain signals. Artists can create music or art directly from imagination. Think it and your computer obeys. Advanced cybersecurity is critical in 2027. AI will detect hackers instantly and block them automatically. Your passwords, banking data, and digital identity will be safer than ever. Wearable Tech 2.0 is transforming our lives. Smart glasses will show notifications in front of your eyes. Smart rings and skin patches will quietly track health. Phones won't disappear, but they won't be the center of our digital world. 6G internet will be unbelievably fast. up to 100 times faster than 5G. Hologram calls, instant translation, and streaming 3D movies in real time. Even space tech is evolving rapidly. Space travel will become faster and cheaper. New rockets will reduce costs for space missions. Satellite internet will be faster and more affordable. New missions will target the moon and maybe Mars. 2027 could be the start of the space century. The future isn't far. It's almost here. The world will be smarter, faster, and more connected than ever. AI, robots, smart cities, space travel. Everything is changing. Which technology excites you the most? Comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to stay updated with future tech, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. 2027 is closer than you think, and it's going to be amazing. Thanks for watching, and get ready for the future.